हाय एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल क्रिएटिव स्पेस। सो आज के व्लॉग में हम बात करेंगे कि कोविड टाइम पे, कोरोना टाइम पे आप कौन से टूल्स इक्विपमेंट्स यूज कर सकते हैं पर्सनल लेवल पे भी, और अगर आप बड़े सोसाइटी में रहते हो या कॉर्पोरेट के लिए अगर आपको यूज करना है। सो वी हैव विद अस एन एक्सपर्ट इन दिस फील्ड, मिस्टर चेतन पोरवाल. So, first of all, thank you, Chetan, for taking out your time and doing this for me for this social cause. Please introduce yourself.
Hi everybody, I'm Chetan Purwal from Bangalore. I'm into medical field from past 15 years, and during the Corona times, I'm more inclined to serve people with the right products at the right time and save as many lives I can.
Yes, yeah, exactly. And this is the need of the hour. So, Chetan, to what extent do you go to provide these material to the needy?
Neha, basically, many other businessmen who are, I would not complain. I'm into the medical field, so I thought that I should be there on the field serving people. This is my calling from the God, and I found this as an opportunity also to serve people and help them as much as I can with the right product. I make sure that I give them the right product at the right time, and I go to an extent of even reaching out to the people who have the stocks, pick it up from them, and even so bring it to the end user who needs the product on time. No matter what time of the day, night, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, I'm always available on the call. People do call me, and I try my best to serve them with the right
How
product
sweet.
and help
How
them
nice.
out.
How nice of you. And recently, I know that you have traveled, you have drove down for 20 hours from Bangalore to Mumbai and back just for providing the required tools to the people, right?
Yes. A seller in Mumbai whom I had got connected. He was ready to give me 10 machines together. So I thought, and lockdown was announced in Karnataka. And he was like, why don't I drive there, pick up the stocks, come back the next day, and then, serve it to the people who are really very keen on, buying those products. Because I used to get a lot of call from doctors asking to supply this machine. And they used to say that if the patient gets this machine, he would discharge and empty the bed and let another patient use the bed and try to save more lives.
Oh, how nice. God bless you for that, really. And now, Chetan, please, share with us aware us with all the genuine tools and equipments that are available in the market. Market में आजकल क्या tools है जो लोगों को पता होनी चाहिए?
I would request everyone to, please source any medical product through a right medical authorized distributor for medical products. During Corona time, people don't have any other businesses. Many of them have got into these kind of business. They are selling products, they are trading products with half as our knowledges. As they say, half knowledge is more worst. And, oxygen concentrators is one of the product which I have come across that people are just buying any oxygen concentrator. They say that this is a humidifier, this is an oxygen concentrator. A lot of people have come out and found out that this is not a right medical grade oxygen concentrator. My appeal to people is that please use a right medical grade oxygen concentrator. A 5-liter medical oxygen concentrator would weigh 15 kgs and above. So that's the first parameter where you can find out whether it's a genuine medical grade product. So that's one of the parameter, the weight. द सेकेंड पैरामीटर जो मैं कहना चाहता हूँ वो ये है कि ऑक्सीजन लेवल की जो प्योरिटी है, जब 5 लीटर पे वो मशीन चलेगी तो उसका परसेंटेज होना चाहिए 87 to 95% तक। जो दूसरे मशीन सस्ते में जो मिल रहे ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेटर जो कहा जाता है कि 1 to 7 लीटर्स वाला है, 1 to 9 लीटर्स वाला है, उसका अगर आप कैटलॉग पढ़ेंगे तो उसमें खुला लिखा है कि वो 30% से 90% है। सो प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट इज नॉट अ मेडिकल ग्रेड ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेटर. इट कैन नॉट बी यूज फॉर मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट एंड फॉर कोविड ट्रीटमेंट. सो प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट आप सही प्रोडक्ट परचेज करें जिसका वजन 15 किलो के ऊपर हो और उसकी ऑक्सीजन प्योरिटी लेवल 87 से 95% के बीच में या 95 के ऊपर हो.
So basically, ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेटर क्या है, क्या करता है वो?
वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. में जो ऑक्सीजन है वो उसको ऑब्जॉर्ब करके उसके अंदर जो नाइट्रोजन है उसको माइनस कर तक उसको पावर सप्लाई मिलता रहेगा. जबकि ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर जो है उसमें प्योर ऑक्सीजन ऑलरेडी रहता है, कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड, कंडेंस्ड। उसको आप यूज करेंगे तो 6-7 घंटे में वो फिनिश होने के बाद उसको आपको वापस रिफिल करवाना पड़ेगा। सो ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेटर इज अ मशीन दैट विल कीप absorbing the oxygen from the air minus the nitrogen and keep supplying pure oxygen to the patient continuously.
ओके, एंड अप्रोक्सीमेट कॉस्ट क्या है इस मशीन का?
अभी कोविड के टाइम थोड़ा प्राइसेस सर्ज हुआ, नो डाउट, सो इट वुड रेंज समवेयर बिटवीन 50,000 to 70,000, 80,000 डिपेंडिंग ऑन द ब्रांड्स, द क्वालिटी, द मेक एंड द वारंटी दैट दे प्रोवाइड।
ओके, एंड फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग डज इट लास्ट? कितने लोग इसको यूज कर सकते हैं, कितने टाइम तक, ऐसा कुछ है, या इज इट बैटरी ऑपरेटेड, कैसा है ये?
See, every oxygen concentrator comes with a warranty of 1 year. These are machines which run for longer period depending on the way you maintain it, whether you use a stabilizer at home, how you operate it, how you use it. It depends completely on it. It may run for 5 years also, it may run for 10 years also. There's no limit to it. It's purely a mechanical machine that how you maintain and service it time to time.
Okay, okay. So it is more used for corporates या कोई बड़ी society होती है, they take it, or or on individual level also people buy it?
Yes, it is purely a home use product only. Okay. It's a home use medical product.
Okay. Okay, so Chetan, can you please update everybody that और कौन से tools market में available है जो लोगों के पास इस time पे घर पे होने चाहिए?
See, everyone is aware of these products. They are called as the COVID-19 medical products. One is your infrared thermometer, a pulse oximeter of a medical grade, and a branded one is very important. Pulse oximeter is a device which would monitor the saturation of your oxygen in your blood. And that lets you know whether you have any lung issues or any breathing issues or any oxygen level issues in your body. That's a very important product. And then you can have your steamers, you can have your infrared thermometers, digital thermometers, disinfectant solutions, sanitizers, mask, N95 mask, 3-ply mask of a medical grade. Please make sure your mask has a melt-blown fabric in it. Just don't go on for any mask. Melt-blown fabric is a fabric which actually purifies the bacteria and the viruses and protects you from them. Just don't use any mask, any cloth mask or anything.
Okay, okay. Okay, and can you suggest any organizations who provide these tools? Any NGOs or organizations?
I mean, what I learned recently is in the second wave of COVID, there are a lot of organizations and communities who have come forward to help people provide these, instruments to people who are in need of it. There are a lot of them who are buying it and keeping it at their home also. To name in our city, we have a lot of organizations, even Jain community is doing, Punjabi community is doing, Vaishyas are doing, South Indians are doing, a lot of communities are doing it. A lot of NGOs, yes. If you want to purchase, please, I request again, go through a medical distributor who is in the medical field from past, many years and not just started his medical business now during the COVID. I wouldn't say they are wrong or they are not worth it or they are not authentic. They may be, but it's always better to depend on a person who is in this field from a longer period so that even after sales, they would provide you service and they would help you out with the oxygen concentrator servicing, replacing of the products under warranty and all those things.
Okay.
So I would just say stay safe, take care of each other, maintain social distancing. Even if you're vaccinated, please do not, take it for granted. Make sure that you take all the COVID precautions to safeguard yourself and your loved ones also.
Okay. Thank you for this piece of information for my vlog, Chetan. And guys, subscribe right now. हम ये social cause कर रहे हैं. Share it with as many people as you can. लोगों को थोड़ा awareness होना चाहिए ये सारी चीजों के बारे में. And please, the vlog doesn't end here. I'm going to sketch Chetan ji as a thank you gesture for giving your time. So I hope you like the sketch also, Chetan. And see you.
Surely. Thank you so much. It's an honor to let people know about this thing. Thank you so much. Keep up your good work. All the best. Stay safe.
Thank you. See you. Bye.